This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Word, open a document now and go straight to File, then Options to avoid delays. Once the Options pane is visible, select Proofing so you reach Spelling Settings. Make sure you can see both Auto-Correct options and the Spell Check sections. They control automatic changes versus red underline corrections. This is the first actionable step because it exposes the controls you will disable. If you don't see options, ensure Word is active and not in read mode before continuing. Now turn off the automatic behaviors. Open auto-correct options and uncheck replacements you dislike, then close that dialog. Next, in proofing, uncheck check spelling as you type and mark grammar errors as you type so Word stops altering text and showing red or green underlines. Once done, press OK to apply changes. This disables both silent corrections and live highlighting, giving you full manual control. Make sure to review auto-correct entries for specific terms you frequently use. Finish by clicking OK and then restart Word to ensure settings take effect across documents. If you still want spelling checks occasionally, use Review Spelling and Grammar to run a manual scan. If automatic corrections persist after these steps, check add-ins and custom templates and confirm the document language matches your preferences. Sometimes language packs re-enable checks. If problems continue, reset Word settings or recreate the normal template. Those actions clear stubborn overrides and restore the desired behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.